In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add trusted contact on Charles Schwab. A trusted contact is a person your brokerage can reach out to only if there's a concern about your account. Think suspected fraud, account issues, or if they simply can't get in touch with you. This person cannot view your balances, place trades, or move money. They're a safety contact, not a signer on your account. With that in mind, let's add one online. It takes just a couple of minutes. Open your browser and go to schwab.com. Sign in with your usual credentials. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. From the menu that opens, choose Contact Information. On that page, find the tab labeled Trusted Contact and select it. You'll see an option to add trusted contact. Go ahead and click that. Now enter the person's details. Start with their full name, then add a reliable phone number and an email address. Some accounts may also ask for a mailing address. Type everything carefully. This is the information Schwab would use if they ever needed to reach your contact on your behalf. When you've reviewed it for accuracy, click Save. You can usually add up to 2 trusted contacts. So if there's another person you'd like to list, perhaps a close relative and a longtime friend, you can repeat the same steps to add a second one. Choose someone who is easy to reach, understands your preferences, and will pick up the phone if Schwab calls. It's a good idea to let them know you've listed them so they're not surprised, but remember, they won't have access to your account or your money. Adding a trusted contact doesn't change ownership, permissions, or beneficiaries. It simply gives Schwab another way to safeguard your account by verifying your well-being or confirming unusual activity. That's all there is to it. Log in at schwab.com, open your profile, go to Contact Information, select the Trusted Contact tab, click Add Trusted Contact, enter the person's name, phone, and email, address if requested, and save your changes. You can add up to 2, so think carefully about the 1 or 2 people you trust most. Taking a minute today to set this up adds a valuable layer of protection for the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently add a trusted contact on your Charles Schwab account.